fitness. In our channel, we focus on a clear way of becoming fit. So आज जैसे आपने previously इस वीडियो में देखा था, we did the unboxing of Amul protein milk. Now I'm going to give a full review of Amul protein shake blueberry flavor. So let's start with what exactly the macros are of this particular shake. If I talk about the macros, right, it says 200 ml of serving. The serving size actually gives 140 calories. So calories बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, but decent enough for one-time use. And if I go down a little, it does have some saturated fats, which is still fine. 1.5 grams is not too big of a saturated fat. Going down, even carbohydrates is 20 grams, about 20 grams, which is 19 grams, and still fine enough because har ek protein meal you will still get some kind of carbohydrate. Nothing, no protein has complete isolation unless you do whey isolates. If you go down a little, it says 20 grams of protein, which is decent enough for 200 ml, and it has 3.3 grams of sugar. So the interesting part of this particular milk is, or I would say shake is, the sweeteners are used here is 965 and 916. So these actually ranges are more around the stevias. Basically, it is a naturally occurring sugar and much better than what you actually take as an intake from your चीनी हम जो कहते हैं, ठीक है, तो उससे बेटर है. Stevia is a plant-based sugar, which is a much better alternative. अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं, very sleek bottle, much easier to carry, and a cheaper source of protein at 50 rupees. So I would say it is a win-win deal for people who are looking for a decent protein source at a very cheap rate. जैसे college students हो गए, or if I talk about anyone trying to do a travel, right? Traveling at time, it can be a good source of protein, and easy to carry a small bottle and throwable bottle as well. Apart from this, अगर मैं बात करूं, blueberry flavor itself is very interesting flavor, which if I talk about blueberries, they are very rich in antioxidants. So अच्छी बात है, आपके body के लिए भी अच्छा है. Obviously having a different intake in terms of अगर हम direct blueberry ले वो अच्छा ही रहेगा, but in terms of protein, Amul has done a good job, which they are actually adding blueberry को flavor में डाला है. And if I talk about Amul is a trusted brand, milk products या लस्सी का कुछ भी है, Amul has been there and serving a good quality of products here. And interesting चीज आप लोगों को अगर मैं बताऊं, ये easily available नहीं है. Right? If you see here, basically in my area, I rarely got this protein in 5 minutes, and within 5 minutes, it got sold out. So if you plan to take this, you have to be very much, attentive to details and like फटाफट उठा लो अगर मिल रहा है. Now if I go a little bit about the flavor here, so let's try it out. अगर मैं ये देखूं, यहाँ पे इसकी थिकनेस भी अच्छी है, काफी अच्छी लग रही है थिकनेस. Let's see how the flavor is. So yeah, blueberry का काफी अच्छा फ्लेवर है इसके अंदर. I don't see too much sugar in it, which is what they're actually the label also claims. Interesting thing, and I definitely want to try it. So go guys, get it. If you are a college student, if you are traveling, it is a very good source of protein and to start with. I hope you like the video. And for more clean diet tips and fitness tips, do follow our channel. Like, share, and subscribe this video for more.